How to add auto caption in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you add auto caption in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut application on your PC or laptop. After you open CapCut PC on your laptop, you will get this type of interface. From the section you'll have to add a project or video from where you want to add automated caption. Right now I am simply dragging this random video here. Alright, after you add your video, you'll get this type of interface. At the top, you'll have to click on captions. After you click captions here, you'll have to choose your spoken language like in that video, which language you have been using and after you confirm your language, you'll have to directly click on the option generate over here. Alright, so it is generating and analyzing the voiceover on that video. After it will analyze and complete the process for generating caption, it will directly add that captions on this video. Alright, as you can see, CapCut has directly added automated captions by using that automated feature on CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.